The first kata I'm going to do is called Matayoshi no Eku Shodan. This is a Eku, both pedal. We start this way, spine down. Yoi, this comes ko, this way. Arevite, over and go out long. First movement, it's a block, 45 degrees. Come, don't go too deep. Side strike, augmented stance, step, back to this stance. Then 1, 2. We come and we do a block here, strike, lean, circle block, step. This comes for the knee, and then the step again. Since this is a basic kata, we repeat the same thing to the other side. Block, not too deep, deeper, step, come here, groin strike, back, same thing. Block here, block, strike, circle block, step, back to the knee, and then step. And come back to the front. It's an outside block. Block down, circle, step. Now from here it comes ribs, block, back to the rib area, step, fake, and then long send step. This is a block for the knee. A block for the knee on the other side. Come over. This is an overhead strike, uppercut block, step, and block. Backside, block. Same thing. Block down. Uke, step, ribs, ko, 1, 1, 2, step again, fake, 1, block knee, block the other side knee, over the top, uke here, augmented, step, and block down, ko, and then finish.